should have said, I'm not here.
Look at the boys. What about it?
Okay, look.
All the boys, Billy, come.
Girl, she's not mean.
I'm just kidding.
Best, what would do? Best. Oh, actually.
Steven, if you're past the banner, you're not in the photo.
No, all the boys. All the boys.
16 comes to the first. On the floor.
Hello, go.
Sam, come over this side. That boy. Hello, come over this side. It's mine.
Mine, Hami. Come in.
Hami, come in. If you're past Happy, you're not in the photo, come here.
Okay.
Who wants the photo? Someone's phone.
Hami.
Okay, you ready? Hami, move in. Can't see you. Don't go the woman. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Yeah.
Anybody else want a photo?
Anyone?
Maybe siblings. Oh, the sibs. Oh, definitely.
I fell.
Oh, okay. Just go stand on that side, Stella, where the banner is. Stella. Stand on the banner side.
Oh, just do. Okay, Devil's and then Lonely and then we just.
Okay, Stella, your phone.
Oh no, my friend's just going.
Oh, Devil's kids. Oh, they're right there. Whose phone? Grandkids? Yeah, grandkids hop in.
Yeah. Oh no, who's? I thought you were on the phone.
Listen, my phone's a bit errors because it's just have the...
Oh my gosh.
Hey, come this side, girls.
Everybody, camera.
Where's your phone?
Is that
everyone?
Where's Aika? Who's big? Aika's there?
Are you ready?
Are you embarrassed of us?
3, 2, 1. Yeah. Okay, Stella's kids. Stella, Lahi.
Kids and grandkids?
Letty, tell Stella to hop on the photo. She's sitting right there.
Luca didn't even get in the photo.
Pat, who's got any chocolate? Mum needs some chocolate.
Oh, maybe Delani's.
Anyone got any sugar?
Anyone got lollies? Lollies? Anyone got lollies for Stella?
Tina, give me that lollipop in your mouth. We need sugar. Tina, see the lollipop in your mouth.
Yeah, she needs
We got more
Where's them? Oh,
This is beautiful.
oh, there. Sully's got it.
perfect. My favorite.
Okay, so Lahi's kids,
Grandkids, the Lice family.
Okay.
I want to.
Yeah, and the front.
You're always crying. Why are you always so fishing? Yeah. What? Sully, come. You're really nice. Sully, come.
Guys, if you're past the manor, you're not in the photo. Move in.
If you guys are past the banner, you're not in the photo, come to the front. Or if you're tall enough, stand at the back.
Oh. Hey, it looks like Stranger Things.
Hey, girls, Stella's grandkid, great-grandkid.
Oh, damn.
Come on this side.
Oliver Costaner's just, you know. Just the grandkids thing.
Hey, Halati, this is your photo. Ha.
Christina's here. Okay, guess I'm family.
Happy.
Hey, come on. Hey. That's my bad ankle. That's my bad ankle. You okay? Fine. I didn't say that. It's your hair.
Anyone past him, you're not in the photo.
Oh, you see?
Hey, everyone look forward.
Okay, ready?
Anyone past Happy on this side, you're not on the photo, come to the front.
Come, Tom.
Maybe go back.
No, it goes blurry.
Hey, why are you so slow?
This side's okay. This side, too many.
Yeah, bring her chair. Tell us, bring her chair.
Sugar love. Sorry, Betty.
There,
Not there. Put it on.
Okay, you ready? Push in as much as you can, guys. Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh. Don't smile. 3, 2, 1. Yep.
Thank you.
Okay, Lonnie's kids, grandkids. Are they still here? Solo shot.
It's for your grandma. She's diabetic.
Here, you better, Stella. Just you, Stella.
You can have one.
Go on then.
Ready?
You ate.
Hey, you know my sister?
Wait, she's eating her chocolate. Give her a seat.
Give us some space.
Not a pressure. Okay, yeah.
Go on then, Nana.
Ah. Okay, Stella's kids.
Oh yeah, go on then. Oh, do you guys want a photo? Me too. You girls, quickly. Go on. Oh. Sunny, go.
Mana. Okay, you're next.
Yeah.
Let the girls in. Hannah, Kendra, Sarah.
Thank you.
Let's move.
No, she said she's
Okay, you gotta hurry up then. Look at, she's in everyone's photo. Hurry up. Hannah and Kendra will have a photo. Sorry. Have a photo. No.
Let me Hannah. Just us. Not you.
not me. Do all Stella's photos first and then. Wait, Nadine.
Who's got it?
Already get in.
The girls.
The girls.
The girls. Oh, Athena?
1, 2, 3, say girls.
Oh, that's nice.
Okay, all Stella's kids. All the 9 kids, and then after that we'll move Stella.
9. Where's the 9 kids?
Oh wait, no, there's like 11. Who's missing?
Where's Patrick?
Alpha. Come on.
Where's Tom? You gone?
Tom left.
Down there.
You can do.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is there? Is there only 3 kids missing? Mom? Wait, Alpha's coming. Move the chocolate out of the way.
Oh, move in a little bit.
Okay.
Move in a little bit, tiny bit. Close the gap. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Say Stella.
Stella.
Okay, get up. Okay, thank you. Okay, Mom. Okay.
There's the Billy. She went straight to the
Okay, Hannah and Kendra.
Hey, Stella. Mom.
Is your mom here?
She said, Kendra, where's your friend? Sarah.
Hannah's got a phone, please.
Can we get Stella City? Yeah. Stella City?
Stella CE. Oh, they want you in the photo.
Stella, can you go with us, please?
Oh, just me.
Why did you talk? I did.
Oh, wait, he wants to take a photo. 1, 2, 3. You guys smile cool. You guys believe me when I said Josh. Guys, when I repost some of my stories, I have proof.
Oh, hey.
You ready?
Does anyone else need photos? Oh, George.
You want to film us photo?
No, I'm alright.
You don't need to frame anymore?
Anyone else want a photo?
We have this jersey at home still.
It's in
I think my son took off the just me, please. Wait, step forward, you're in the dark.
Why are you going to put this at the live?
Wait, answer a little bit towards the sun.
Just me and my mum. Swear. Did you send it to me? Please?
Oh, airdrop it to you? I don't remember.
Yeah, that's what they said.
Okay, here. Oh, send it to you. Okay, mom's coming.
Are you getting photos? Oh, no. We were going to get one.
Yeah, go. No, go.
I think we're just waiting. Yeah, here he is.
Some of you guys can stand on her left side if you want. On one side.
Do you want to do that or just stand here?
You just stand one side.
Yeah?
I'm going Holeti side.
Backing it up.
Yep.
3, 2, 1.
Thank you.
Anyone else want a photo?
Me!
Anyone else?
Me!
Are you gonna come?
Yeah, go, Mum.
Here, Sana, take it. You be in the photo.
Sunny.
Family photos in your car.
Y'all believe in airdrop?
Quick.
What's up to you?
Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, what's the name?
Nice.
Anyone else want a photo?
Yeah, we will. Are you having one?
Cypress!
It's 2 Noahs.
You pay him by an hour for holding that.
Some of you guys come here. Because it looks off.
Oh, no. I just take that side of the photo.
Okay.
Donnie.
Start Holeti, I guess. Oh, wait, you can go side here like this.
Smile! 3.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah. Thank you. That was fun for us. Sorry.
Hey, someone, one of you hold the picture. Really? I'm just gonna send this all to Sam.
It up now. Oh, sorry.
How far you find?
Wait.
Ready? Wait, bend down a little bit, cover your dad. 3, 2, 1. Thank you.
Thank you.
You can put it on the thing if you want. And we got Tommy. That's Tommy. Yeah. All done.
Have you guys had photos?
Yeah.
I'm going to the... Oh, wait, one more, just our family. Just me. Sorry, we were waiting for Mana to come from serving the food.
Do you guys want
I only want this one.
Thank you so much for taking all our photos and videos and stuff.
Ollie's gone. Oh, these kids!
Wait, come take a photo. Come on,
They got him. He's there.
What a move, Marty!
Mana! That's why I didn't turn around. Money.
Sorry, Mana. Stand on that side,
What's that from Somalia?
You need to stand side.
Is it just 3 boys? How many boys are there? And Layla. Oh, okay. Okay, bunch in this side because you're going to get cropped out.
Let me stand in front.
Okay, move more into Waterman side.
But
The
then
boys, no, just boys.
Then we don't have Tina.
There. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Okay, Jerry.
Yeah.
Send you the photos of my phone as well.
Oh, awesome. So what photo do you want to leave, Missy? Is that one?
Yeah, I like this one.
So I said,
Keep standing. Oh, Stella, put your chocolate behind your back. Yeah. Oh, Nettie, you take it. Hide the wrapper. I can see. Please.
what am I saying?
3, 2, 1.
Yeah.
Wait. Smile again. Let's go. Mama. Off the shoulder.
Wait, hello? Move. This side. Stephen said I can. One more. Stephen and Brian said I could.
Nah, Nettie. It's fine. My knees starting to hurt.
In the grade, they're like,
All the way
You ready?
from Namuka.
Wait. I wasn't standing on them.
3, 2, 1.
Mega go ahead, Nettie.
Yep. Thank you, girl. Stella, you want your own photo standing up?
Away.
The Belle, Stella. Are you the Belle?
Come on, Queen.
We all take this out.
Watch out for the photo.
I thought we were going to take some home.
Thank you, Stephen.
Hey, Mom?
How many? Let's not cover it. Kobe, bring 5 bags of meat down here.
No, we're gonna take a photo. Like the what? The flowers? You mean the photo? Oh, they're gonna take the photo.